Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to explain you how to change the order of integration in case of double integral. I will illustrate the same with an example. Let us see the example. This is our double integral. This is limit from 0 to 2 and this is limit x square to 2x. This is our original integrand. This is dy and this is dx. This integral is bounded by the region y lying between x square and 2x, that is limit of y is from x square to 2x and x lying between 0 and 2 because limit of x is from 0 to 2. Now how we come to know about this limit and this thing? So in the original integral, what happens that first we will draw the curve, that is trace the curve this and this. Here the first curve is y equal to x square, which is a parabola because only even power of x. So this is our parabola and this parabola is symmetric about y-axis because even power of x. Second, y is equal to 2x is a straight line passing through the origin. And second, this x is lying between 0 and 2, therefore this limit of x is 0 to 2, that is limit of x is between 0 to 2, this is x-axis coordinate. Now in the original integral, our strip is parallel to y-axis. So the strip entering at y equal to x square and strip leaving at y is equal to 2x. So lower limit of this is x square and upper limit is y equal to 2x. This is limit of y. Now similarly, lower limit of x is here, it is 0 and this is 2. So these are the limits of the original integral. We shall not integrate the same, but we will change the order of integration and then we shall integrate this. So in the change diagram, the diagram remains the same. Only change is in the previous the limit was here, so the strip was parallel to y-axis and here the strip is parallel to x-axis. So limit of x is between y by 2 and under root y, which is obtained here. This is using the formula, so which we are just obtaining here. So x square is equal to y. When we write in terms of x, we get x is equal to under root y, and y is equal to 2x. When we write in terms of x, x is y by 2. So these are the limits of x between this and this. So this is the, since the strip is parallel to x-axis, the strip is actually the integrand is now this thing, y by 2 to under root y. This is the limit of x because the strip is parallel to x-axis. Now the strip is parallel to x-axis, therefore limit is y is from 0 to 4 because y coordinate is 4 here, so 0 to 4. So now we shall integrate this. This is the integrate remain the same, only change the limit because this first with respect to x and then we shall integrate with respect to y. So now we are first integrating with respect to x, the inside the bracketed part we are integrating first. So integral of x here is x square by 2, which I have given the formula here. You can use this formula to integrate this. This is a very simple and basic integral. Now integral of 2x is 2x and these are the limits we are applying for x. So x we will replace by first under root y upper limit and then minus lower limit this. Similarly here x upper limit is this and lower limit is this. After applying the limit we are going to get this part. So this is after applying the limit of x. Secondly, now we will integrate this part with respect to y and these are the limits of y. So let us see the same formula we will apply. I have written here. So integral of y is simply y square by 2, limit is 0 to 4. This 2 is here. And integral of under root y is y3 by 2, which I have written here. This is 2 by 3 and this y3 by 2. And then integral of y square by 2, 1 by 2 is outside and integral of y square is y cube upon 3. In all the three parts, we will substitute the limits first, upper limit 4 for y and then lower limit between minus. Similarly, upper limit 4 minus lower limit this thing and this. After this simplifying, we are going to get this part. So after final answer, we get 8. So 8 is the final answer. If we integrate the original integral, we will get the same answer. But what happens that sometimes it is very difficult to integrate the first original integral. So this method was developed how to change the order of integration, and this is more convenient to get the answer first. So this is the illustration of this, and this is my first video on integration by changing the order of integration of some double integrals. We will continue later.